Dear students, let us have a talk about the global logistics strategy now. Now, we have gone through the globalization eras. There were 3 globalization eras. Then we have seen logistics in a global economy that it's worth something for the organizations as well as for the countries. उसमें हमने यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स की एग्जांपल देख ली, द ट्रेड वॉल्यूम विद चाइना एज वेल, जिसको डिस्कस किया. नाउ let us look at the features at the micro level, that is the strategy. What would be the global market strategy? आपके पास global market strategy क्या होगी? The global business environment has changed significantly and become much more conducive to business activities between and among different countries. The world has integrated. The countries, they have integrated their businesses. बहुत ज़्यादा रिलेशनशिप्स क्रिएट हो रहे हैं, कंट्रैक्चुअल बेसिस पर भी डिपेंडेंसीज भी क्रिएट की जा रही हैं, ट्रेड वॉल्यूम बढ़ रहा है. सो द ग्लोबल logistic strategy needs to be devised, and it would be on different criteria, which we will be discussing in this session. So the success in the global marketplace requires developing a cohesive strategy, including product development, technology, marketing, manufacturing and supply chains. तो global perspective में जो आपकी logistic strategy है, it has to actually come up with a cohesive strategy. एक ऐसी strategy create की जाए जिसमें harmony हो between the product development, technology which is being used, the marketing which is being implied, manufacturing and the overall supply chain. Now, what does it mean? It means that global market strategy would have 4 important characteristics. ये इस definition में से जो cohesive strategy devise करनी है वो 4 important characteristics की तरफ point out करती है. That is to have standardization of the product, reduce complexity. अपने product को जितना standardize कर सकते हैं वो करें. Why it is required? Under the exceptional cases आप उसके अंदर complexity लेके आ सकते हैं या उसको standardize उस तरह नहीं रखेंगे या adapt करेंगे for that country. But as long as you can maintain standardization, you will do it. मेरी product uniformity रखती होगी. For example, Levi's garments, it would be more or less, अगर आप उसका एक style 505 देखते हैं तो it all around the world, it would be similar. It should be same. एक ही जैसी quality, एक ही जैसा raw material, एक ही जैसी look, it would be there. But sometimes you need adaptability. आपको adapt करना पड़ता है. Likewise, McDonald's in some Muslim country, if they arrive in some Muslim country, they need to actually go for halal food. Similarly, McDonald's in India would be going for a veggie burger. ये adaptations है. But as long as they can have their product standardized, they will put it in the standardized form. It gives uniformity. The second thing is the global competition actually reduces the product life cycle. आपकी product life cycle global competition की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा रिड्यूस हो गई हैं. इमेजिन अब आप वर्ल्ड वाइड आपके कंपेटिटर्स हैं. सो यू आर नॉट कंपीटिंग इन सम लोकलाइज्ड एरिया, एक्चुअली यू आर कंपीटिंग विद द वर्ल्ड, यू आर कंपीटिंग इन द ग्लोब. सो योर प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल शुड बी स्मॉलर सो दैट योर प्रोडक्ट कैन कम क्विकली इन टू द मार्केट. आप फर्स्ट मूवर एडवांटेज लेना चाहेंगे और इन अदर केस यू वुड नॉट अलाउ योर प्रोडक्ट टू बी वेरी डिलेड. बहुत ज़्यादा डिले नहीं चाहेंगे देन योर कंपेटिटर प्रोडक्ट. आप अपनी कंपेटिटर की प्रोडक्ट से या तो पहले उसे लॉन्च करना चाहेंगे या एटलीस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा गैप नहीं देंगे कि फॉर द सेम काइंड ऑफ अ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड सेम काइंड ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट यू आर लॉन्चिंग इट वेरी लेट. दैट विल एक्चुअली यू विल हैव अ रेवेन्यू लॉस. आपका रेवेन्यू जो है दैट वुड बी लॉस्ट फॉर इन दैट केस. सो प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल्स हैव एक्चुअली रिड्यूस्ड, दे हैव श्रिंक्ड इन दिस ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी. Traditional organization structures and business models frequently change. आपको change करना पड़ता है, restructuring and sometimes re-engineering की तरफ जाना पड़ता है. And then globalization actually introduces more volatility. When you say volatility, it means the demand could be very volatile because the requirements or the characteristics in the globe would be changing very quickly. तो वहाँ पर आपके पास एक वॉलेटाइल, यू कुड सी अ वॉलेटाइल डिमांड or you could have peaks sometimes, you could have recessions, and you have to cope with it. Or volatility ko capture karna, that is possible through a very efficient and effective logistical activity. So that is why global strategy, जो global logistics strategy है, ये emphasize करती है that the time-based requirements would be executed such that it would create the competitive edge for that organization with reduced product life cycles, with more standardization, and with more of and with the lesser of the labor cost which they have incurred for it, and they would actually go for more of economies of scale and economies of scope. Thank you.